Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have some more confirmed spoilers for the BoxyCharm July base box. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which of course was showing another BoxyCharm July spoiler. Well, thank you so much, Tony baby. Tony says, hey girl, hey. Hey Tony, honey, you are on a roll today, honey. You are killing it. And I really appreciate you having your notification bell on. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one or two chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button during that 5 seconds. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So who don't want that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now, before I show you these spoilers, I did have a question from Lisa Allen Brennan. I'm going to try to answer it the best I can, honey. So Lisa wants to know why she has to get both the BoxyCharm base box and the premium box. And as far as my understanding, you have to have an active base box to get the premium box. And then as soon as you get off the wait list and you're accepted, then you can cancel your base box and just keep continuing to get your premium box. Now, BoxyLuxe is different. BoxyLuxe, you have to get both. You have to get the base box and the BoxyLuxe box. But premium and base is two separate subscriptions. So, Lisa, honey, I hope that answers your question, because I tried to answer it to the best of my ability, at least from what I know about it. So, if I'm wrong or anything else, somebody correct me down there. And Lisa, thanks for the question, honey. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and look at these spoilers. So again, these are for the BoxyCharm July base box. So the first one is the Ace Beauty. This is the Bronzed in Paradise palette. Now these are also variations, guys. So you'll either get that palette or you're going to get the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise palette. If you don't get neither one of those two, you're going to be getting the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Now guys, y'all know we've seen these in the survey sneak peek, so I'm excited to see that more of those were confirmed. So, you know what? How many more is going to get confirmed? I don't know, but it's so exciting. So, guys, let me know what you think about this down in the comment section. And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And, as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Crazy Butterflies. Crazy Butterflies says, I've recently become a subscriber to your channel and I'm addicted. Well, Crazy Butterflies, first of all, welcome to the family. And second of all, don't never get help for that addiction, because I love seeing you here, honey. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video and subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.